When clients call in to have QDROs done, which are qualified domestic relation orders, those are orders that divide retirement accounts for parties after a divorce, pursuant to their judgment of divorce. They're typically feeling exhausted because many times these clients have just gotten through a divorce. Sometimes people wait. I've had people wait 20, 30 years to do QDROs, which I do not recommend. But many times they are coming in right after their divorce has been filed and they are on fumes. Perhaps they've spent a lot of money on attorney's fees already. They're emotionally drained. They want this to be over. And so those are the clients that we typically get coming in for QDROs. And what I say to them is, this is it. This is the last thing that you likely have to do. And we have a lot of experience doing QDROs. I can't even tell you how many I've done in my working lifetime, and many times we can get them done in a few months. Sometimes it does take longer, but it really is the end of the road for many clients, and they're very happy to hear that when they come in after just finalizing their divorce.
I came to Jean Mahserjian's office for assistance in completing a QDRO for me, and I gotta say, I am thrilled to death to have her friendly, knowledgeable, and cost-effective staff on my side to resolve my legal issue.
The biggest mistake that I see when clients come in to have their QDROs done is that they've waited too long. And many times the client will come in to have a QDRO drafted to divide their ex-spouse's portion of their retirement, of their ex-spouse's retirement, so that they get a piece. But if you come in too late, a lot of the times the ex-spouse has already retired, or they drained the account. You know, the sky's the limit with issues that can arise when you wait too long to get a QDRO done. So my advice to you would be that you get it done immediately once your divorce is finalized. Sometimes we even have them done simultaneously with the divorce judgment, with the judgment of divorce, so that everything is done streamlined and on time. So when you're looking for an attorney to help you with a QDRO, you really want to make sure that you find an attorney who is experienced, because QDROs are not easy. There are so many retirement plans out there, and they're constantly changing and flipping and moving around, and every retirement plan likely has some sort of model QDRO or plan rules that you have to adhere to. And sometimes you got to be on the phone with a bunch of different people to find where those documents even are. And there's also a process when you're drafting QDROs. You have to send QDROs out to be reviewed. You have to send them to the judge. You have to send them to opposing counsel if your ex-spouse is represented or not. And if you have an attorney that does not know how to deal with QDROs, it can turn into a nightmare, and one that can last literally years long. So you want to make sure that you've got somebody who knows what they're doing and they know the process.
I never could have handled this QDRO without an attorney. Jean's staff and herself are friendly, knowledgeable, and effective.